Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to AI 2026 and for non-tech person. This course is especially designed for those guys who don't want to understand how AI is actually working but who want to learn the AI and use the AI in their life in most efficient way. So let's begin. What is AI? AI basically is a program that give a machine uh, to behave like a human intelligence. Basically, AI means imagine we have a machine and this machine need to behave like a human, or this machine need human level intelligence. So for this task we write a program, and that program is AI. AI means a program that give a machine human level intelligence. What is ML? ML is a subset of ML is a subset of AI. Basically, we use lots of data to train our AI, how to take decision, how to recognize pattern, and how to generate new uh, think or topics. What is NLP? NLP basically is expanded form is natural language processing. It's just a field. It's just a field or topics that help a AI model to understand human language. Uh, LLM basically is a large language model. That's in AI we have a different type of model, and some models need a huge of data to train, and their tax is so huge. So when a model needs huge of data, uh, we for this type of imagine we we need to calculate about a solar system, something about solar system, and we need is a so complex task. For this type of tax we to for we need to calculate something about a solar system, and for this type of complex tax we need a system that can easily handle those complex data, lots of data, and the solution is LLM or large language model. Transformer basically it doesn't read any linearly. Basically it's highlight every clue and every page simulates to understand the context. Basically transform, when you give something to AI, he don't read left to right, he try to understand what you mean, what is your core topic. We have a different type of AI like a ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, all available, and those type of those all of AI actually use LLM, NLP, transformer to give their user better experience, better output. Of the art of prompting basically when you gives any kind of uh, uh, any kind of input to AI. Imagine you ask the chat GPT, write a poem on a rainy day. When you ask chat GPT write a poem on a rainy day, this is a prompt. And when you give a good prompt, your output is super good. But if you don't give like a good or standard level prompt, your output is so messy. So we have two type of prompt. One is user prompt. User prompt basically means when you give AI as something as an input. Like imagine we take a previous example. When you say ChatGPT write a poem about rain, it's a user form. You keep the AI as a user. This is when this is the is a prompt you give the AI, and when a user give a prompt to a system, that is called a user prompt. Another prompt, we share a screenshot when we give a DeepSeek, can you solve this error, and we give a Python program. The another prompt is a system prompt. System prompt basically when you build a AI tool using some AI model, like you use DeepSeek AI model for your tools, for your like imagine you build a tool for your study that's help you to in your study. Now when you build a tool using like a different type of AI model like DeepSeek, Llama, or a Claude, etc. uh, they are tool, this type of tool are a generalized tool. You can ask anything about those tools. If you ask this type of model, how teach me how to make a cake, or if you teach me how I become a martial art expert, blah blah blah, they give all question answer. But you need a tool, that's tool basically fix on your study. If you ask any outside question that don't belong with your study, eh, if the AI doesn't give the answer, and that's become a system prompt that a pre-script. the this is a pre-script that's make the AI model in a is actually it it's make the uh, he's set the system prompt set the AI inside a box, so he can keep the answer out of the box. And the magical formula. Previously, I told that if you don't give a good enough prompt to AI, your output is so messy. And the solution of a good prompt, that is magical prompt formula. And the magical prompt formula follows a four core principle. First is role, second is tags, and third is context, and fourth is format. Yeah, we give a example here, like a role is means who is here. Like if you are learning, imagine you give example here that we need a senior analyst, and we say yeah, you are a senior financial analyst. Okay, we give the tasks to AI what actually he need to do done. He need to do like summarize the earning report. We give the context. Our audience is beginner investor who don't know about stock jargon. We give the format, give me in 5 point each, under 10 words with emoji. Token basically when we give a prompt to AI prompt, AI never read those prompt like left to right. They divide those prompt in different segment. They can divide in like if you like you say how are you use if you ask AI how are you. Now imagine here are only three words, how are you, but uh, AI can divide this sentence in five portions, and each portion actually called token. The basic unit of data that a large language model reads, interrupts, and generates rather than processing entire word. The AI break down human text into a smaller piece which can be whole words, part of words, space and punctuation mark. The rule of thumb is basically is actually depend on API, how a API actually define a token. They can define what he as a token, or they can define multiple token in what context window. Basically when you chat with any AI, basically I show you a skin. Here is the is a window of chat GPT chatting. Now in this window, how much you can chat with AI until he forget the um, most beginning chat. Okay, imagine in this window you told AI, tell me how to become a chemical engineer. He give you like a output. In this output, he when he give you output, he never give you output in English. He give in his output is count by token, and every window has a limit of token. After when he touch the token amount, his max token amount, he forget the chatting in the bottom chat. So this is called a context window. AI model have a strict limit on how many tokens they can process at once in a single conversation. This is known as the context window. If your prompt and the conversation history exceed this token limit, the AI will forget earlier part of the discussion. Or I give you a link in here. You can go this health.openai.com link to understand the context window in detail. The Claude is basically a AI tool, is a brilliant reasoning engine that understands complex instruction, while code is your software engine intern who write functional code in the background, so you can build logic without typing a single line yourself. Basically, in this course we actually teach you how you can use cloud code. And in the in the world, we don't just have a cloud code, we don't have a just like a chat gpt. We have many AI tools, and you can go and explore what you like you most. Personally, my favorite AI tool is ChatGPT. Sorry, DeepSeek. I use a lot in my regular day. ChatGPT I use a lot of in my day-to life. And this is the windows of the left side is how a cloud core AI application actually look. You can download for from Google Play Store. Or my right side is cloud code AI window. You can go cloud code AI. You got a cloudcode.com or AI. Both are built by managed by Anthropic, who is the founded company of this cloud AI. Our another AI tool for this course is Lovable. And Lovable is a full stack designer that turn your plain text English description into full uh, functional system. Basically, Lovable is the tool for build for a macro SaaS product. SaaS means software as a service. You can build SaaS tools using a Lovable, and they are UI designer, and they can all actually use a backend, a super base backend. So you can build a full stack micro SaaS product using Lovable. And if you mix cloud and Lovable for your SaaS product, and that is super amazing. Here is the lovable screenshot, and you can download the lovable app from Play Store, or you can go lovable.app. The workflow in this course we actually show how we going to use the both AI. Claude actually handle the main logic, and we this is a Claude Dex Claude.ai. I using a web version in my PC, and I set the model into Sonnet 5. Is a free and most powerful uh, model. We have also or like affable or ops model, both are paid tool, but in free Sonnet is best. Sonnet 5 is best, and we give this prompt. We actually share this prompt with you in a doc file. We give a prompt using our previously a magical prompt formula like role, context, task format. Using we write a prompt, and we give this prompt to Cloud Code, and basically our text is we building a game. This name is Pong. Pong game, Pong through game, and we just we tell the Cloud Code to generate the JavaScript logic for this game, and Cloud give us this game JavaScript logic, and we save this code in our pong.js file in our system, and we share this system in with the Lovable, and Lovable actually build the UI, and we share the pong.js file with the Lovable, and we give a magical prompt for design our UI using Lovable, and after few time he finally designed our Pong game. And this is how in Lovable you can actually see the UI in the context window. So thank you. This PDF you will get in my website, and prompt those two prompt you will also get in my website.